Geography is one of the oldest disciplines, and it's borrowed from geology, biology, sociology, etc. There are different branches of geography, some that deal more with the social sciences, some more with the natural sciences. A physical geographer is more of the technical side. We have another program major in Geographic Information Systems, GIS, for those who want to get proficient in the software, the technology, and the techniques to answer some of these spatial questions. You can get the technical GIS degree, but we're trying to infuse GIS across our curriculum.
I think a typical geography student will learn quite a lot with us. We try and teach them how landscapes work. To understand the landscape, you have to understand interactions between population, the environment, economics, culture, demographic change. So we get to look at big picture issues, and we get to look at connections. We teach students theory. We give them tools in the GIS lab. They download huge data sets and they manipulate those in ways where they get really cool projects and insights. And we try and get them to do real world projects as well. A lot of times we do work with community partners, and a lot of times they get conference presentations, research grants, and then full funding in grad school. That's the goal for a lot of them. The University of St. Thomas pledged to go carbon neutral. We've been focusing on being a much greener campus. And as that's happened, it's given us an opportunity to have students write grants. And our geography students have been involved with writing successful grants for solar panels. We've been involved with a grant to plant 15,000 trees. We're involved in a grant for about $150,000 solar panels now. Students have written grants for Nice Ride bikes, and we're tracking bike use for UST community members to see if we're saving carbon that way. So students have the insights and the skills to actually do really impressive grants, track grants, see what's really effective for environmental protection. They're making a difference in the real world. And that's good for confidence, that's good for building a portfolio, and that's good for getting a job.
There's a real effort at the university to push this moving forward with the new initiatives of globally minded citizenship. So whether you're technical or not, we've had very good placement with our graduates because here we pay TAs to work in the lab or be TAs for classes. We have internships. We take our students to at least 3 conferences a year where they can present their research, and if they don't want to present, just to attend, and it's all on the department that pays for that. So with these type of experiences, they come out with more than just a diploma, they come out with a resume.